So once you have signed in, this is the page that you're going to see. It has about 4,000 plus pre-made templates, which is a wonderful thing to go. Then it has another option that is text to video, where you just have to type in the text and it will be converted to video. And the third option is blank canvas, which is a wonderful one. Okay, now if you scroll down, you will get to see so many ready-made templates. It's a wonderful thing. Whenever you have time, just scroll down and see what are the templates available, and you can work on them. But right now, today, we're going to work on blank canvas. So you can choose the option of the screen that you want to keep, and once you choose it, you have to click in make a video. We are going to use the wider one, which is basically we can see everywhere. Okay. So this is the page that you're going to see, and on the right hand you can see a wonderful toolbar. It has so many wonderful tools that are going to help you in edit your video and making it fancy. You can insert the videos and images and musics and text and stickers and so many overlays and shapes and masks, collage, and so much more. It's fun to play and explore it. So this is a toolbar available on the right hand side, and I'm going to close the panel so that we can see our workstation. So this is the area that we're going to work on. I would say the workstation, we can have 3 different things on the workstation. We have it basically. We can add scenes whenever we want, and then those scenes will be converted into video. We can add a voiceover, and there is a timeline, and we will just see in a second how to have a timeline. So the first thing is that you need to have a video. You can even click on the video toolbar and have or select any single video which is already made, or you can choose your own video that you have done. For that, you need to go to uploads, and it will take you to your system, and you can upload any of the video which is there in your system. So right now I have already uploaded some to show it to you. Once you upload the video, you can see it over here on this page. Okay, so once you choose a video, it gives you an option to trim. On this side, you can see the length or the duration of your video. And once you know the length and duration of the video, you can trim it either from the beginning or from the end. Let's say this is how I'm just going to trim one of the videos that I have selected. I would like to basically trim it from the end, and I would like to trim it till like 30 seconds. So once you trim as per your choice, you just have to need the button done, and this video, trimmed video, will appear basically on your workstation. Okay, now on the left hand you can see the word video edit. It has some options. You can crop, trim, apply loop, or mute, or do whatever you want. So when you press on crop, you can either crop, or you can choose different overlays of the screen. You can crop it to as per your choice. I don't want to crop it. I want to keep it as same. So once you are done with all the editing, you have to press on the button done. Right. Okay. So now you have the display that you want. Play it and see how it looks like. Okay. So you play it. Now you want to add in a few things. So if you want to edit basically your video, you have to push on the button timeline. When you push on the button timeline, it will tell you each and every element that is already there in your video that you can see basically on your screen. So we had a music that you just heard. Then there is a logo. You push on the button to see where that is. So you see that it appeared over here. If you want to enlarge it, delete it, do whatever you want to do. I prefer deleting it, so I deleted that. Okay, so it says media 1. And basically what is that? It is the video that you just pushed. And then it has a background. You remember before we inserted the video, there was some black sort of thing. That was the black background. Okay, so let's go. Okay, on the timeline, you can see the seconds the video is for. And now I want to add a text to my video. So I went to text. There are so many wonderful text templates that you can use. I prefer using this one. So you just have to push on the button or to push on the text that you want to see, and it appears on your screen. It has already some auto type text, and I'm going to edit it just by using the keyboard. And I wrote go to browser. You can change the size, you can rotate it, you can do whatever you want to do with the text box you have just inserted. So this is how I'm just showing how you can work on it. And once you are done, just play and see how it goes, how it looks like. Okay, so what I can see is that this text will be appeared throughout the whole video. I don't like it. I don't want to say throughout the video. So let's see if we can work on it. Okay, so look, when you select the text from the scenes, you can just adjust the text to whichever seconds you want. You can even shorten the video the way I have done. You can even shorten the video. It was 30 seconds and I have just brought it to 5 seconds, or you can just close the whole scene. So I don't want to do that. I just press the button undo, which is there on the top, you can see. Okay, so this is how it's going to appear. I trimmed basically my video and I don't want to do that. So I'm just going upstairs, up, and either you can go up and undo it, or you can just drag it to the timeline you want. Okay, so here you can squeeze the duration you want the text to appear. Like I have squeezed this from 1 second to few seconds, and this is how it's going to appear. Every time you make a change, you can just go and play to see how that change looks like. Okay, so that's fine for me, isn't it? It looks good. It looks good, right? You can play with it. At this moment, I want to add another text. I want to add a sticker. So here I just went on the stickers and I'm just selecting one of the stickers that I wanted to be in my video. Okay. Oh yeah, that's fine. That looks good, right? Okay, so this sticker, as you can see, is going to appear in the whole video. Can you see that? Like, it's the length of that sticker appearance is for the whole video, and I don't want that. Why do we want it to display the whole video? So what I want is, as soon as the text go to browser disappears, this sticker should appear just for 3 seconds. So you can choose the timeline or the duration, the seconds when you want to display. You can even move the sticker on the screen, wherever you want it there on the screen. You can basically do whatever you want, just the way I'm showing it to you. So, did you see that? I just played it to see how it works, and it worked really. I want it the way I want it. Okay. You can even go and play with this. You can basically change anything that you want from the tools that you have on the left hand side. You can blur the video. You can also increase the speed of the video if you want. You can blur even a part of the video if you want. You just have to play with the toolbars that are available. You can add some animations into your video. Let's try adding one animation. Right now it has no animation, and now I'm choosing one of the animations. Okay, I have chosen one of the animation which says shift from the right. So let's just go and play and see how it looks. Ah, did you see? The video shifted from the right, the way exactly we chose. So nice. So this is how you can play with it. You can enlarge, change the size, change the rotation of the sticker. So you can do a lot with it, exactly the way you want. Okay. Okay, so this is how you can basically edit the videos. You can add so many things. You just have to go to the search bar and do that. Okay, so what I want is, I want the ending and the beginning of the video. So as you saw that I went to the end of the scene, I created a new scene, and I just want to end with a note that hope you enjoyed it. So for that, I want something on the blank screen, and right now I'm just looking for an image from the image toolbar. You can even type in the image that you're looking for to get the exact thing. So I wanted like it sort of thing. Okay. So here I got so many options. Doesn't look good, I think. I think I want to choose another one. I didn't like this one, so I'm just going to delete it and choose another one. Well, this looks so dark, so no. Okay, looks better. Nice. Okay, so you can just adjust it as per the size of the screen that you have chosen. Okay. If you go to the timeline of the new scene that we have added, you can see again the logo, which I don't want, so I'm just going to delete it using the delete button from my keyboard. And image. Okay, so this is about 12-second scene, and the image is played 12 seconds. I want two images back to back. I want like also. And you know how I want this? I want, okay, the first image appears, and then after a few seconds, the second image appears. I just don't want both the images on the same time. So just I'm moving the images on the timeline. See, I moved the first image to 6 seconds, and then I started the second image from the 6 seconds. And let's play and see how it works. Okay, so after 6 seconds, the first image disappeared and the second image appeared. Nice, right? So this is how you can add as many images as you want. You can play with their durations, their timings. If you want to add some writing, like something that I'm going to do right now, you can add